to go inside. I'm super excited. Welcome back to the Jazzy Nation. So we were supposed to wake up earlier, but we slept through everything, and now we are trying to hurry up and get dressed so we can go to the park. I've got good news for everybody. Look, I pulled out the correct socks. Okay, now I can actually, oh, it's upside down. Now I can actually go get dressed. Wednesday socks. I got the right socks finally. Stop it right now. No, I was wearing this first.
I've had this shirt. How long do you have that shirt?
You just had on the blue long sleeve shirt. And you're wearing grayish greenish shorts. I didn't even show them my outfit yet. You can't even spoil my whole outfit reveal because you're wearing it. It's way too often. Like, he does this. I get dressed first, and then he does what he does, and then we end up looking like twins and brother and sister, and people don't know what to do with themselves. I've got cards, express pass, license, good. Too many coins. Do you think we'll be able to use coins anywhere?
I have to go to an arcade.
Do you guys tip with coins in the United States? Because I'm all about that tipping with coins life. That's what we did in Morocco. I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. A black shirt. And then I've got these camel-ish pants with this brown belt. Big belt. It's very Tomb Raider-esque. I like it. Today we get to go inside. I'm super excited. Oh my gosh.
Smoking while being tortured is a flogging!
Oh no.
Flash photography or videotaping while being tortured will also get you a flogging.
That looks fun. Okay, so how was your first ride?
Thank you.
That was a good one.
It wasn't even a ride. It was an interactive movie, right?
4D.
Yeah, it was Shrek's interactive movie. It was like that, and it was cool. We got wet.
That was really wet. Got sneezed on.
Yeah, we got sneezed on and spat on, and it was nasty, but really cool. It was really fun. Do you want to ride a roller coaster or
Yeesh.
just like a...
Yeah?
That one? We're about to finally do it. We're just gonna go for it.
You ready to rock it?
We just did the big red ride, the red rocket or something like that.
Hollywood Rocket. I didn't even know there was gonna be music. Like, really?
What are your thoughts?
It was fun. Yeah. It was as fun as I expected. A little more intense than I expected, but I think it's a good first big roller coaster.
Keep talking, keep talking.
Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm hot. I'm sweating. I need water now. How about you?
I did have my eyes closed on the first dip. I was a little pumped. I got to open my eyes on the dips.
Oh, it's okay.
I got to open my eyes. We're paying for it. So I got to open my eyes on the dips.
Yeah.
So on the next time we do this, or a big ride like this, I'm opening my eyes all the way. The whole time. Even on the first go up and the first spin and all that.
If you get motion sick pretty easily, then you might want to take some Dramamine or something nausea related before you actually come to the park. I forgot mine, but so far so good. Like, it's not been bad yet, so I'm happy. So we just finished the Mummy ride, and it was actually kind of scary, not gonna lie. It was just different than I expected. I didn't even know it was a roller coaster until we got there. So yeah, the fast passes, I feel like they don't even give you a chance to think. Like, you just walk in and you're excited because you have a fast pass, and then you get there and it's a brand new ride.
I have no idea.
So
Let's do this!
about the Fast and Furious ride?
That was good. That was good. It was very quick, but it was good.
It was
really
quick.
Smart. Like I'm very impressed with using movie scenes and things like that.
Yeah.
Rides like that.
It's very interactive, like
Definitely
while waiting.
A step up than the traditional. If they made these rides a little longer, I think it would be as good as any roller coaster.
Yeah, me too. That one was like it was a big green screen.
Yeah.
So it was like a wraparound screen, and then they added the animation, and then cause we didn't move throughout that. Did you know that? Like we just
for a
it
lot
was
of
stationary, and we were just like this, moving back and forth.
Sure.
So that was cool.
I think, especially that last ending where the bridge is up.
Yeah.
They should have done more of that.
Yeah.
Where
that
it
was
like goes
cool.
up and you fly and
like the movie.
that was cool. Yeah. What else? Here we are. I knew it.
Oh.
I knew it. What's the name of this place again? This is
Hogwarts?
No. This is where he comes. Diagon Alley or something where he comes for the books.
Yeah.
There it is.
Wow.
Diagon Alley. Man. I bet you they're like dwarves like in the bank. Like he goes in the bank for the little nugget thing. I'm gonna find where they sell the wands.
Wow, that's nice.
That looks funny.
That means it's real.
What's our wands?
52 for the magic and 46 for no magic.
Oh.
Okay. The discount if you want to be a square.
Okay. This is cool. I missed it. It just spouted out water.
Because like if you look, like they're doing stuff too with the wand over there.
Oh wow, that's cool. Fingers and mashed toad in a book, lamb in a stew, cottage pie, fisherman's pie, mini pie combination, soup and salad.
Leaky cauldron.
So we actually have our butter beer. And I'm gonna try it.
This is how you're supposed to do it.
Okay, I'll show you guys what we get when our food gets here too. We're done. That was awesome. That was super.
We didn't look at the tomorrow. We have to look at one of the stores. So the brooms.
Oh, we missed the broom?
Yeah, like Quidditch and stuff.
Look at the bus. Alright, next on the agenda is Men in Black Alien Attack.
Wait time.
Is it a ride or a... Are you excited for this one? I don't even know what to expect. I don't know what's gonna happen at all, but...
They took our bag.
sweating profusely, but I am still having a good time. But this is just shocking that they have another section of Harry Potter stuff in the other park. So if you don't do park to park, then you can't see these two different things. This is awesome. Thank you so much for helping. Oh my gosh. I look like I've been through it today. And I have been through it. Look at my hair. It's just... Ooh. But I am happy. This is a very smart design. Like, they've got food up here at their City Walk area. And I would recommend that if you're not starving, save yourself to come to the City Walk area because the food is like regular prices, whereas in the park, the food is like double the price. So we just got Panda Express. All right, so we're back out. It is nighttime, obviously. And we actually only have like 45 minutes left in the whole entire park. So we're gonna try to ride as many of the roller coasters as we can, which might mean we just skip one. I don't know, I think we're gonna try the Hulk one and then probably go back to our hotel. We'll see. We'll have to see what we get.
Our shake.
Yeah, you still want that shake. I'm full on gummy worms though.
Alright.
I know.
Spider-Man nearby. Trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! Good luck.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. Doc, I'm on the loose. This could be the most dangerous night of my life.